That's it.
Hey everyone. Just a second. Do you hear me well?
Yes, sir.
Cool. How's it going?
It's going fine.
Sorry about that for these technical problems. I have to buy a new laptop. Definitely. So let's get started our meeting today. Murat, thank you so much for joining our meeting. As usually, we are gathering all together every Sunday to share in our progress in our organization of our volunteers, and just for remember that everything which we are doing, we are pursuing only one goal: to reduce heart attacks by changing diet and lifestyle habits. We want to decrease mortality rate. No other goals in our head. And yeah, as usually, we will follow our simple agenda. I shared message why we are getting all together, and after that I will share weekly results, and we discuss what will be next steps and future plans. And in terms of achievement, there are two directions where we have a very good results. First, this is our message. I sent message in Slack, in WhatsApp, and in our email correspondence, and this message about that pharmacy, very famous network pharmacy in the United States, confirm that we can advertise our organization, our non-profit organization, with our products. And actually next week we are going to do this, and we have 2 days, and during this time we will advertise our product, our first MVP version. This is the first message. Secondary, we will discuss with the customers of the pharmacy what the problem they have. Probably they will share their opinion on the heart attack problem, and we will try to give them information about this, how to decrease mortality rate. One of the things which we did, you see here, I'm not sure, but this is a visit cards, and we are going to give these visit cards for every patient. And just a second, I tried to show you how this looks. I believe that did you see the screen?
Yes.
And you see these cards, how it looks like, right?
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, actually this is a combination of what Maya, our volunteer, created with a logo for the Heart Voices and some information about our organization. This is a website and our mission about reducing heart attacks by changing habits. And here, this is our phone number where people will call. And I believe that our Heroku instance will be ready for this, and everything will be fine. But anyway, this will be a real production case when we work. This is the first thing, and we want to get feedback from the people, from simple people, regular people who will interact with us, and probably they will share some new insights, what they need, and what the product should be, what the features are necessary. And actually, this will be our first thing. Just for understanding, we reach out in the United States, all non-profit organization, all retail store, markets, and other big organization, business organization. And CVS, this is the first organization who will confirm, who will confirm that we can use their place and their facilities for advertise ourselves. This is the first thing, and this is related for the marketing. Just remembering that during these 3 months, will finish December 6th. In other words, we spent 2 months on marketing, and we want to spend 1 more month on marketing. We are focusing on marketing, but in parallel, we are working on improving our current product. And here during this week, we have achievements as well. And everything related to our backend API, Python server. And one of the feature which were presented, it was feedback feature using our scheduler mechanism. Thank you so much for this. And another volunteer improve our current Python server and add some things related to DB connection and some unsubscribe feature improvement. If you remember, we're gonna provide unsubscribe feature for the people, but we wanna keep the information that probably in the future to help them in some way. And for more details, if you remember, we have in our Slack channel automatic bot here on GitHub, and all commits from all repositories of our GitHub. You will see all pull requests, how they look. Yeah, you can put your comment. No hierarchy. You can put comment everywhere. It doesn't matter what experience you have. Any comments will be helpful. And I believe that this approach will improve our code base, source code, and architecture in general.
Yes.
Yeah. And this is our achievement on backend API development. And right now, let's discuss about our future plans. What we're gonna do for marketing side, we're gonna continue reach out cardiologist. Just for reminding that we started conversation with the doctors who probably will share our service for free for their patients, and we're gonna share this service, lifetime service, for free without any money. Hopefully this will be our first patient too. We're gonna gather in all marketing managers, because majority of us, we are engineers, and sometimes we don't know what's in marketing at all, and it's the reason why we're gonna continue reach out help of the marketing managers worldwide, and that probably will help us how to better promote our product, how to better reach out patients, and how to send our message to the people. Because sometimes engineering message a bit complicated, but marketing managers will help us to do this in a good way. And for sure, we will continue work on our workshops, because next week will be only gathering information from the workshop, but after that we should analyze this information and convert probably in features. Probably this will impact our marketing or promotion campaign. Probably this will impact our vision of the product, and probably we will have new product. We'll see how our workshops will work in CVS Pharmacy. And for sure, we are not going to stop our improvement on product side, and we are going to improve our mockups and designs and our mobile web application. There are a lot of new features, new API call, which we already implement in mobile and web development. And for sure, we will continue work on our Python server and our main product, I mean, this Flask application. Yeah, and actually at the end of the meeting, I want to remind one of the principles of our organization that overloading team members is not allowed. It means that we all have our main work, and this is only volunteering job, and we want that our volunteers will be happy. We don't want to overload them, and we don't try push them or rush them in terms of deadline and other things, as usually in a organization happens. And it's only if you have time, if you have desire, and if you have a passion, welcome. If something is blocked you, no problem. Let's back to us in 3 months, in 6 months, in 1 year, no problem. We don't want to be one of the activity which will overload you more. Yeah. Murad, thank you so much for joining this meeting.
No.
If you want to add something, feel free to share for the whole community.
Yes.
Yeah. And for whom will listen us in record on our YouTube channel, thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for everything you are doing. And feel free to share your ideas through the email, through the Slack, and through the WhatsApp. And thank you, guys. Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Okay.
I was going to finish.
Have a good day, and see you guys. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.